This video is about quicksand. What is quicksand? Quicksand is an interesting natural phenomenon. It is actually solid ground that has been liquefied by a saturation of water. Quicksand is not a unique type of soil. It's not special. It is usually just sand or another type of grainy soil. Quicksand is nothing more than a soupy mixture of sand and water. It can occur anywhere under the right conditions. You can also try making your quicksand with just cornstarch, a container, and some water. To mimic the effects of quicksand, my classmates and I did an experiment using cornstarch and water. How does it work? Well, the cornstarch and water mixture acts like a solid sometimes and a liquid at other times. This concoction is an example of a suspension, a mixture of two substances, one of which is finely divided and dispersed in the other. In the case of our cornstarch quicksand, it is a solid dispersed in a liquid. When you slap the cornstarch quicksand, you force the long starch molecules closer together. The impact of this force traps the water between the starch chains to form a semi-rigid structure. When the pressure is released, the cornstarch flows again. All fluids have a property known as viscosity, the measurable thickness or resistance to flow in a fluid. The cornstarch water mixture and real quicksand are both examples of non-Newtonian fluids because their viscosity changes when stress or force is applied, not when heat is applied. So what is quicksand really? Quicksand is nothing more than a soupy mixture of sand and water, where the sand is literally floating on water. Quicksand is just solid ground that has been liquefied by too much water, and the term quick refers to how easily the sand shifts in this solid liquid state. Quicksand is created when water floods or saturates an area of loose sand. When the water in the sandy soil cannot escape, it creates a liquid-like soil that can no longer support any weight. If an excessive amount of water flows through the sand, it forces the sand particles apart. This separation of particles causes the ground to loosen, and any weight placed on the sand will begin to sink through it.